pilgrimage to Kimberley continues to symbolize an important period for the Royal Bafokeng nation. In the late 1800s, Bafokeng men walked hundreds of kilometers to Kimberley's diamond mines in search of employment. They were not just laborers, but visionaries in overalls, whose sacrifice and foresight laid the foundations of which our nation stands today. Under the leadership of Kgosi Mokgatle, wages from Kimberley mines became the currency of liberation. Our land was bought with these proceeds, and the nation was fortified. Kimberley remains a symbol of sacrifice, resilience, and purpose. The first pilgrimage in Kimberley took place in December 1984. Led by Mamogolo Simane Molotlegi and the Bafokeng Women's Club, they laid wreaths in honor of Bafokeng regiments. The act of remembrance approved by Kgosi Lebone marked the beginning of sacred tradition. On 19 September 2009, Memgolo Simane Molotlegi unveiled an epitaph at the Big Hole Museum, enshrining the legacy of our ancestors. Every 3 years, in August, the month we signed our first title deed in 1869, we returned to Kimberley. As a community, as family, to retrace the footsteps of those who came before us. This journey belongs to all our people, from every household to every heart. Let us trace the footsteps that built our future. To our young people, this is your heritage. Walk with us. Learn what it means to be Bafokeng and carry that with pride forward.